time it is. It's probably like 10 something right now. But I'm here. Hey guys, so I am at, well, it's the second day of Aruba. I want to show you guys my view, but it's, let's see. Oh, look at that. That is so pretty. That is so pretty. So anyways, so I wanted to talk to you guys and let you know a couple of things that I wanted to inform you guys on. So for me, I think when you're planning your trip, you want to make sure that you are packing the clothes, the outfits that you want, the makeup that you want, so that you're prepared for the day. You know, give yourself like at least 3 types of outfits. You know, your beach wear, your dinner wear, your just casual wear. Consider ironing your clothes the night before or the day that you get there, so that when it's time to like go places, you're ready. In a sense, for me, I didn't do that, and that's what I noticed what I should have done. Let's see, I think that's all I have. But today I'm rocking my dreads with an up down style, and then this top I got from Pretty Little Thing. I love it. And these pants I got from Banana Republic. Actually, my friend gave it to me, and I decided to pair it with this. Some flip-flops that I got from Amazon. That's the outfit of the day. I'm still learning how to use this thing. It's cool. So, to give you a tour of our place, everything is different compared to different hotels that you probably experience in the US. The hotel is built with concrete, which is very important because, you know, natural disaster will protect that. So you won't see like the carpet everywhere type of situation. This is easier for them to clean up. And I noticed when I came in the hotel, it kind of smelled like bleach a little bit. But for some odd reason, I like that smell. My cousin got me hip to that. She cleans her whole place with bleach. Like, she just wants everything to be clean, which I can get. So yeah. And then I would think it's because of the humidity. So carpet, or just like, you know, your wood where nothing's really molding, really. That's what I would think of. And then this is the bed. It's kind of dirty right now because it's been used so far. We have this so you can iron your clothes. This area you can use to do office work, whichever. Right here, you can use this area to do your makeup. I didn't use it, I'd use the bathroom. And what I did was I emptied out my closet, my suitcase, and put all my clothes in the drawers and hangers and all that stuff. This is where you have your full body mirror. And then this is how you get in. Okay. Since it's an all-inclusive, you're able to drink as much as you want, and they'll refill it every single day for you. So this is yours to use. Don't be scared. In here we have your fridge, all your drinks. These are for you to use. Don't be scared. You're not gonna get charged. Okay, you have your coffee, and then you have your ice bucket. So this is where the face magic happens. It's kind of dirty right now, let's see. So all of my stuff